So this is the picture that I'm going to trace. I need a pencil, sharpener, and to measure I'm also using my phone. You can take anything else you want to, because I'm just taking a gap of one mobile phone lengthwise between my two drawings, as you can see here. And you can see in the picture that there are two flowers, and in between I have kept my mobile phone to take the measurement. Again, I'm shifting my mobile phone to the right side, and then I'm doing my drawing out here. So that's a perfect measure for me. You can use anything else you want to. So beneath the sari, I'm putting my drawing. I'm doing a flower out here. You can take any other drawing as per your wish. And if the picture is not very clear, you can always use a light table tracing. This method I've already shown you earlier in my videos. I can leave the link in the description box below. But in this one I don't need a light table. As you can see very clearly, the picture is being seen because of the material of the sari. And so with my pencil I am just tracing the outline. So it is quite easy and there is nothing of much difficulty to do here. You just need to trace the picture that is beneath the sari. And once it's done, you can remove the picture and you can see here my drawing is over. Now again I'm shifting my mobile phone to the right side, and again I will do my next picture out here. So this is my fabric. I'll just spray a little bit of water in it and give it a good stir. Just a good little stir. That's it. And I'm ready for my painting. Well, this is my flower and this is the easiest part of the entire process. You just need to dab your brush and just need to paint. That's it. Okay, one thing you make sure that is, whenever you're doing this kind of fabric, make sure all your strokes are from a single side. Just don't go blah 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 like this. Just make sure all your strokes are in a singular pattern. Okay, one more thing. If you think that your color is getting a little bit thick, which I feel is mine getting, just spray a little bit more of water. That's it. And if you're not confident that you might think you might spill it, just keep something beneath this. My flower is almost done. As you can see, I have to wait. See, I've already completed all the reds and I'm just waiting for them to dry. Once they are dry, we can do the outer layer, we can do the inner strokes, and we can also do the inner part. Okay, so now I'm moving on to the next part of the video where I am going to do the border with this maroon color just to give it a highlight.